Off the Grid campers. We're inside the camper, as you can see, dealing with another maintenance item. Now this is a maintenance item that is not certainly unique to our campers. It is true of all rooftop air conditioners. And the problem is, over time and the vibration through the corrugated roads, what happens is the bolts in the air conditioner, and there's one in each corner, and I'll take one of them out and show you in a minute, they loosen. Okay, and those bolts are the thing what holds the top and the bottom section together. So this is a cassette, and you've got the compressor and motor up on the roof, and there's a seal between the two, and if those bolts loosen, the seal becomes ineffective, and it's the #1 reason why you have water ingress in your caravan or your camper if you've got a rooftop air conditioner. So something that you do need to check, not super regularly, but if you've gone over those dodgy roads, then yeah, maybe think about checking it if you haven't done it for like 6 or 12 months certainly. So what we're going to do is apply Loctite to those bolts. We'll assume that we haven't checked this and one of them is loose, or they're loose, and you want to make sure that you've retightened them, but you want to put the Loctite on as well, just to be doubly sure. You've got to remove the cover from the cassette on the inside. I'll just take this off, and then you'll be able to see where the bolts are. So this comes off pretty easy, and then you've got the internals of the cassette. I'll just show you where the bolts are. So there's a bolt up here in this corner, and then you've got one in each corner there. And I'll just hand you back so you can see the removal process. You won't be sitting here with an Allen key removing these bolts, because they're quite long. So get your hex head on there, and that one's pretty tight, so that's not an issue. So that one come out a little bit easier, and you can see how long they are. Okay. So what you want to do is, as in the previous video where we put the Loctite on the ladder bolts, you'll definitely want to put a little bit more on one of these guys. No need to go crazy though. So that would certainly be enough. And make sure you put a towel down, because you don't want to get this on anything. And then we'll pop that back in. That's it, don't over tighten it with the Loctite. And then that'll create a lock on the thread. And if you do each one of those, but if they're not coming out, then they're tight. You don't need to worry about them. It's only if something's loose that you need to retighten it and apply the thread locker, the Loctite 243. So that's it. That's the process for checking and putting the Loctite on the bolts of your air conditioner. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.